What up, gang? We got some babies. They about 3 days old. This they second little litter. I've been waiting on these two for a long time. Something got in and ate them. The first set. So I secured the cage. We got the white hen and the red and white cock. That one look like it's gonna be a white one. We're gonna do a little vlog of these birds and watch them get older every day. So I guess that's the hen that take care of them in the daytime. Then the cock grab them at night. What up, gang? They 4 days old. I'm interrupting the feeding. What up, gang? This Big Papa feeding this morning. He kind of shy. They're getting big. They're about a week old today. They getting some color on them now. I got them banded up. Put some bands on them and just keeping an eye on them. Trying to keep them alive. Something got in there. They was about this size last time and something got in there and ate them. So I just reinforced my cage. I think it was a snake because there was no evidence of the babies was even in there. So they drinking a lot, eating a lot. So just keeping everything full for them. Feeding them a couple times a day. Giving them plenty of water. And we out. Taking the other ones out on the toss. Take them out a couple miles today. And that's what we doing. Keep you posted. So they flying locally, they fly, you know, right down the road. And this is my high flyers. It's early in the day, it's about noon. So yeah, they going. They finna go. Peace, we'll holler back. Okay, the babies is about 12 days old now. Looks like we got a little gray one. It's the dad. So looks like he's gonna be kind of silver and brown. Band up. He's about 12 to 14 days old. I feed the parents while I mess with their babies. Whoa. Look at the white one. Get a little thicker. I think he was the firstborn. So he'll be about 13 to 14 days old, almost fully feathered. Probably gonna grow up like his mama. All right. Calm down. They won't do a proper nest bowl. Put no hay in there or nothing. They been eating. They eat good. I guess they taking care of their babies, so I think about them too, gang. All right, gang. It's about day number 15. I just made it home. I was gone 24 hours. That's the white bird, baby. So where's the gray one? The gray one's not in the nest. He's down there on the ground. Somebody done pulled his wing off. I'm trying to see if I see any blood from right there. Did they grab it from the outside and get him? I don't really see no evidence from the outside. Did they get him? Get back. From the inside, a leg is gone and the wing is gone. Now, who would do something like that? Did they get him from the outside? Or did they get him from the inside? One wing and one leg is gone. I don't understand. I'm thinking a rat. Maybe a rat? One wing and one leg. And how did he get it? So that means my other birds is not safe. My other baby. Cause this happened last time. I was doing a vlog on those because I really, oh man. I was really excited about these two. And this happened last time. They was about the same days old and one of them came up missing like that. But last time the whole bird came up missing. They was about the same size. So the whole bird came up missing, and then 3 days later, the other one came up missing. So I tried to secure the cage. And they went for round 2. So I need to get them out of there. I ain't checked on these. I just made it back in time. Okay, we got that baby over there. They hungry. They got water. I was only gone 24 hours. Well, probably like 30 hours. But what ate the baby? That's all we want to know. This cage. I think I'm gonna get rid of that because it's not working. It's not working. So we gonna feed them. They hungry. They didn't eat today. And I was thinking, hey, is the birds that hungry? They wasn't that damn hungry. They're gonna eat they kids up. A wing and a leg. Birds don't eat wings and legs. So, gang, what y'all think ate that? What I need to do with the rest of them? Well, the other baby, because I need him to survive. Did he get it through the cage? The wire's kind of thin. Like, oh, maybe I can put some what's it called wire over there. I can't wire the whole cage up, but I don't know. I don't know if I should take a chance. No, I can't take a chance to leave him in there. He gonna eat the baby. He gonna eat the other one. It happened last time. Look like it's getting low. Like I should have way more birds than that, but the cat been hitting me. It might be that cat pulled that wing and the leg off. So I'm thinking a cat, a rat, a coon or something. Might need to set that trap, but that's the vlog for that. The gray one is gone. $14 days old.